Hello everyone, welcome to QuickCode Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to tell you how we can test our application on different type of network speeds. Basically, this is essential for front-end developers to test their application on different type of network speed because we want to check how our application performs on a fast internet, slow and extremely slow internet. Even if you want to test when the application is offline, how it will perform. So for that, we can use the Google Chrome console. Before showing that, I will just showcase what I have on the screen. So this is just one API that I have integrated using HTML and JavaScript, and that is there on our screen. So first, let's open our Google Developer Tools. How we can open that? Either you can right click and click on Inspect, or you can hit Control Shift I on your keyboard, and it will open the developer tools for you. So here we have various tabs. So from that, we need to select network. So first, what happens, I will show you. So let me refresh the screen. So here you can see our API post is getting called, and then here we can see the time 80 milliseconds. So right now this is set to no throttling. That's why by default whatever my internet speed is, based on that it is fetching the post URL response from post URL. So now let's suppose if I want to check for different speeds. So now just see the current time it has taken is 80 milliseconds. So when I switch to the fast 4G, let's see how much it takes. So now you can see the time has increased because we are on fast 4G. Now I'm going to slow the speeds using the slow 4G. Now ideally the time over here to fetch the post, it should get increased. So here we can see now it is taking 596 milliseconds. Similarly, if I switch to 3G, it will take more time. See, 2.4 seconds. And even if we can set it to offline to check the error scenario exceptional handling. So at that time, since the API will fail, our application should have some exception handling mechanism. So for simulating that as well, we can use this offline. Even to test the caching as well, we can do. So this is how we can set the speed for our Chrome browser while testing our application. Using these speed levels, we can check how our application is performing at various speed levels, and accordingly we can do the optimization if we are needed to do so. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.